10 warning signs your body is crying out for help. How to spot a new disease in the body. So many times our bodies show us signs of fire on the mountain. These signs are a cry for help, which means some situations can be salvaged before it's too late. Unfortunately, many people ignore these signs and get into trouble. But you don't have to be one of them. If you start noticing an unusual change in or on your body, it might indicate a potential new disease. Seeing the sign can tell you what is wrong and how to fix the problem before it blows out of proportion. Here are 10 warning signs that your body is crying out for help. 1. Lack of physical energy. One of the first signs that there may be a new disease in your body is the lack of physical energy. Your physical energy might be draining when you feel weak in your bones or muscles. Lack of physical energy can also result in having trouble with sleeping and struggling to eat a proper diet or exercise regularly. These situations can worsen your disease and even make you develop a new one. 2. Dry skin. Generally, people have oily, sensitive, dry, or combination skin types. Once you start noticing that your skin is dry with oily or sensitive skin, your body may cry out for help. There may also be a cause for concern if your dry skin suddenly becomes drier. While dehydrated skin may only look ugly initially, it may eventually serve as a channel for a new disease. Dry skin may crack, allowing bacteria to enter your body, causing infections. 3. Brittle nails and hair. Nails and hair are supposed to be strong when you're healthy. However, you can sense that something is wrong with your health once your nails become brittle and you start losing hair. Brittle nails and hair can come from many conditions. For example, this condition may indicate vitamin B and calcium deficiency, two vital vitamins for the strength and growth of nails and hair. However, brittle hair may also suggest the presence of malnutrition or an eating disorder, for example, anorexia nervosa, hormonal imbalances, for example, thyroid disease, or Menkes disease. Therefore, getting a medical checkup is essential to ascertain what your brittle hair or nails are telling you. 4. Impaired performance. Everyone experiences tiredness and exhaustion from work. These conditions often do not affect performance. You should be worried once your tiredness affects your work performance and other aspects of your life. This situation may be due to burnout, which usually affects your motivation, mood, and performance. If not quickly handled, burnout may lead to fever and other sicknesses or diseases. You can recover from burnout by taking breaks, managing stress, and seeking support. 5. Leg cramps. Sports people and exercise enthusiasts often deal with leg cramps due to the physical commitment of their activities. In such cases, leg cramps are expected. However, your body may cry for help if you start feeling cramps in your leg despite not doing any physical task. Outside of physical activity, leg cramps usually come from the absence of calcium, potassium, or magnesium in the body. These minerals help to regulate relaxation and muscle contraction. You can get them from nuts, seeds, bananas, dairy products, and avocados. 6. Extreme food craving. Craving a lot of food may indicate that your body lacks essential nutrients such as fiber, protein, or healthy fats. The absence of any of these nutrients may trigger a disease in your body. 7. Chronic headache. A chronic headache is usually an indication of an incoming fever or disease. You can eliminate it before it's a full-blown sickness by relaxing your muscles, drinking enough water, and avoiding inflammation-inducing foods such as alcohol, sugar, and processed foods. 8. Bloating. You may be bloating if you feel your stomach is swollen due to something not going away. This condition suggests a digestive problem such as food intolerance, bacterial overgrowth, or irritable bowel syndrome. It may lead to worse problems if not quickly cared for. 9. Insomnia. Lack of sleep may be nothing more than discomfort for most people. Still, this situation has been linked with conditions such as cancer, asthma, overactive thyroid, Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, diabetes, and Parkinson's disease. 10. Bleeding gums. If your gums start bleeding, there's a good chance your body doesn't have enough vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency can cause conditions such as weakness, fatigue, bruising, and rash. In conclusion, these 10 signs are common warning signs that your body needs help. However, they're not definitive, so we recommend consulting a doctor if these signs persist for over a few days. Here are references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.